Standard 1 Subject EVS. Hello students, my name is Mrinal More and today we are going to learn an interesting lesson. Our topic for today is I need clothes. Before we start with our lesson, here are two questions for you. The first question is why we need clothes or why we wear clothes? Yes, think and answer. So, here is the answer for it. We wear clothes to cover our body. Here you can see in the picture, the boy is wearing the t-shirt to cover his body. Yes, so in this way we wear clothes to cover our body and to also protect our body from heat, cold and rain. So we wear clothes to cover our body and to protect our body from heat, cold and rain. Next is we wear clothes to suit the seasons. Means we wear clothes according to the different season. As per the seasons we change our clothes. There are three seasons. First is summer. In summer seasons we see sunny days. It is very hot, so mostly people visit beaches to feel comfortable and cool. Next is winter. In winter season it is very cold. In some regions also snow falls. So in winter season people sit around bonfire or create bonfire so that they can feel little warm. Next is rainy season. In rainy season we can see water everywhere and greenery. As you know the different seasons now, let's see the clothes which we wear in these different seasons. First is summer season. In summer season we need light cotton clothes to keep us cool. As you can see in the picture, in summer season mostly we wear light and cotton clothes so that they can keep us cool, and also a hat or cap which will keep us protected by the sun and heat. And in the other picture you can see also we use glasses to protect our eyes from the sun. We drink cold drinks to keep us hydrated. Also ice cream in summer we eat. Mostly we wear shorts, not full pants, and t-shirts, cotton and loose t-shirts which will help us in summer seasons. So in summer seasons we mostly wear cotton clothes, light color and loose clothes. Next is winter season. In winter we must wear heavy woolen clothes to keep us warm. As you can see in the picture, this is the warm clothing. So in winter season we mostly use these warm clothing. This is the way how we dress up in winter season. We wear woolen clothes, heavy, tight, which will keep us warm. And with woolen sweaters we also wear gloves, caps, so it can protect us from cold. We will not feel cold and we will feel warm by these woolen clothes. So in winter we mostly use heavy woolen clothes. Next is rainy season. In the rains we need plastic and rubber raincoats, gumboots and umbrellas. So in rainy season, to protect ourselves from rains, from water, what we do? We use plastic and rubber raincoats, gumboots and umbrellas. As you can see in the picture, the girls are wearing raincoats and at the other side umbrella and gumboots. So these are the things which protect us in rainy season. Now, as you know, the clothes which we wear as per the different seasons. Now let's see the different types of clothes. The first type of cloth is cotton clothes. And when do we wear cotton clothes? Yes, very good. In summer seasons. We use cotton clothes mostly in summer seasons. Next is woolen clothes. And we use woolen clothing in winter season. Yes. Why? Because woolen clothes keep us warm. So we use woolen clothes in winter season. Very good. So now you know two types of clothes. Now let's see some other types of clothes. The third type of clothes are silk clothes. Silk clothes are the clothes which are smoothing. If we touch them, we get a smoothie feeling. So here you can see the picture of the silk clothes. Next is modern clothes. Modern clothes are different from our traditional clothing, but we use them in our day-to-day life. Men's wear shirt, pants, jackets, t-shirts, and women wear skirts, tops, jeans tops, long gowns, or short frocks. All these are included in modern clothes. Next is traditional clothes according to the culture. We have different cultures in India and each culture has its own dressing style. So today we will also see the traditional clothes of each culture. In Maharashtrian culture, women wear a Nawari sari and men wear a kurta and dhoti. This is the traditional dressing of Maharashtra culture. Second is Punjabis. In Punjabis, women wear salwar suit and men wear a kurta pajama, and also men wear a pagdi on their head. This is the traditional dressing of Punjabis. Next is Tamil culture. In Tamil culture, women usually wear a savari sari and also wear gajras on the head. It is a part of their Tamil culture. Men wear shirts and lungi, and girls wear a long blouse and a long skirt. So, this is the traditional dressing of Tamil cultures. Next is Bengali culture. In Bengali culture, men mostly wear a kurta and a dhoti below. The dhoti or kurta is cotton or silk, and women wear a sari, but they wear a sari in different style. Here you can see the picture. This is the way they wear the sari, and the sari has a red border and white color in middle. This is the traditional sari. Next is Gujarati culture. Gujarati cultures, the women which are married wear sari, but this is the style in which they wear a sari, as you can see in the picture. They also wear ghagra choli or chanya choli with a dupatta, and men's wear dhoti kurta. This is the traditional dressing of Gujarati culture. Next is Muslim culture. In Muslim culture, men wear a long stitched gown or kurta. On occasions, they wear a patani kurta, and women wear burqa and also tie a scarf around their neck to cover their ears and head. This is the traditional dressing of Muslims. So, as per the different cultures, we wear different clothes and we have different traditional dressing styles. Till now, we saw traditional dressings according to the different cultures. Now, here are the traditional clothes which are not according to some culture or states, but it is a traditional dressing, as we can say it is a dressing style of India. Here you can see clothes like saris, dresses, also girls wearing shararas, lehengas. These are called as traditional clothes as we wear such clothes on festivals, on special occasions. Men's wear sherwanis, kurta pajamas. These are the traditional clothing which do not wear in our day to day life, but we use it for special occasions and on festivals. We saw so many types of clothes. Here is one more type of cloth. According to the gender, as per the gender, we wear different clothes. Clothes of men are pants, shirts, t-shirts, cap, tie, hoodies, jackets. These are the clothes which men usually wear. So according to the gender, these are the clothes which men wear. Second is clothes of girls and women. Girls and women mostly wears frocks, skirts, tops, jeans tops, dresses. These are the clothings of girls. Women and girls also wear sandals, shoes of different types and jewelries with their different dresses. These are the dressing styles of women. So, as per the gender also, we have different types of clothes and we wear different types of clothes. Now, you know the types of clothes we have. We may wear any type of clothes, but we must always wear clean clothes. Yes, we must always wear clean clothes. We must wash our clothes properly. After washing, dry them properly in the sun and then iron them and wear clean and neat clothes. So, always remember that we must wash our clothes properly to wear them. Make us feel smart, they make us feel fresh. Yes, when you wear clean and iron clothes, you will feel smart and fresh and also confident. So whenever you go out, you must wear ironed and clean clothes. And also when you are at home, you should wear clean clothes always. Because if you don't wear clean clothes, you will not feel fresh and also you will carry germs. So always wear clean clothes. So here we come to an end of the lesson. Now let's see the points to remember. First point, clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. As we saw, we wear clothes to protect ourselves and our body from heat, cold and rain. Second, we must wear clothes to suit the season. We saw that there are 3 seasons and we wear different types of clothes in each season. Third is we must always wear clean clothes. Yes, wherever you go or also at home, we must always wear clean clothes. Let's solve some questions. First is fill in the blanks. Here are 3 fill in the blanks given. You have to fill the correct answers. First is we must always wear dash clothes. Yes, think what will be the answer? Second is we wear clothes to cover our dash. And third is there are dash seasons. Yes, fill the correct answers in the blanks. Now let's check the answers of fill in the blanks. First is we must always wear clean clothes. So clean is the answer. Second, we wear clothes to cover our body. Body is the answer. And third, there are 3 seasons. So 3 is the answer. Next activity is match the clothes with the correct weather. Here you can see in the middle 3 weathers are given and at the side different clothes are given. You have to match the clothes with its correct weather. as per which clothes we wear in which weather. The three weathers are: first at the top, summer season. Sun is shown means hot weather or summer season. Second, rainy weather or rainy season. And the third is winter season or cold weather. So these are the three weathers, and at the side you can see different clothes are given. You have to just match the correct clothes with the correct weather. Here I have matched one for you. That is the woolen cap which we wear in winter season. So I have matched the woolen cap with the third weather. In this way you have to match all the other clothes with the correct weather. Now here is the homework for you. Your homework is draw 3 different types of clothes. We saw different types of clothes. From that you have to draw any 3 different types of clothes and then write which type of clothes you like the most. Means from all the types of clothes, which type of clothes you wear usually or you like most. Thank you.